Let's take a quick look at Google Scholar. It's got advantages and disadvantages just like any other resource. I'm just going to put in our main Pico terms. So I will click search. And one of the disadvantages of Google Scholar is that there are not a ton of ways to sort your results compared to PubMed and some of the other databases that are medical or science databases, but you can narrow it pretty quickly to the last 5 years or do a custom range if you're just looking for a certain time frame. Another nice thing about Google Scholar is that if you go up to the menu, you can go to settings, go to library link, search for UT Southwestern, and click the little check mark. And what that does is it will link to UT Southwestern full text that we hopefully have. Another thing that can be useful with Google Scholar is that you have cited by a certain number of other articles on some of these search results. And so if you, just for the sake of example, wanted to look at this one, you think this could be useful, you want to see who cited it, then you could go there and search within the citing articles and find more articles to look at, and then keep following the trail of citations. And you'll learn more about that in scholarly activity in the future. And a disadvantage that's important to think about is that Google Scholar just isn't as highly vetted as PubMed or some of the other resources that are, again, dedicated medical databases. And sometimes you find results that are from predatory journals or untrustworthy journals, and we'll talk about that a bit later on in this module. And sometimes you find things that are on Google Scholar results because they've got a .edu address, but there's something like a freshman college student's web project from 1998 or something like that. So you just have to be more careful with finding results there. So that is just a quick look at Google Scholar, and we're going to use our practice scenario so you can take a look at it and see what you think.